So, how are you guys? It is another beautiful day, and today it's Friday, 8th of July. So, today there are things I want to talk. Let's do analysis today. Let's do some analysis today. Let's start with DXY. Let's start with DXY. You can see on DXY, what do we have? Still, DXY is showing some move to come to fill this gap. And after here, we'll decide whether we get a continuation and start moving down, or after coming here, we can get a continuation above here and keep, keep pushing up. So the soil, the soil we'll see what we are going to get when we reach these areas. But also, the DXY can become very, very aggressive. But all in all, I'm still monitoring it to see whether we can come up to this high here on 4 hour. My main my main aim is to see it. If we come this high, there's a very, very high chance uh, we are going to keep pushing down after reaching this high, because here is where the area of value area is located. So even if we come up to here and become very, very aggressive to come to reach this area, it will be a very, very good things, because we can see here we have a very big volume to keep pushing down. So this is also a value area because of this volume here. So all in all, we'll be trading based on how the market reacts. You can monitor the market, but you have to follow what the market gives you. My pair on watch for today is JP255. I've talked about this pair a lot of time. As you can see here, as you can see here, uh, okay, let me put this one up here. You can see on higher time frame, we still have the uh, we still have. Let me remove this one. Okay, let's get this out. We still have something is going on around here. First of all, we have this value area to reach, and I see based on this. This is daily time frame, but based on what you see here, looking at this structure that is forming, it is like a continuation forming. It is like a volume forming to come up to this high here. So I'll be not surprised when we go up to this high and start keep pushing down. But for now, my focus, as you can see, based on this correction that we are forming, we have a very, very high chance to come up to this high. But also look at this. Look at this. We have reached this value area also. We can call it a value area or reflection point, and we have tapped in. We started moving down. Let me go on 4 hours so we can understand what I'm talking about. Look at what we got. Even here, even here, you can go for short-term sales. Doesn't mean that you can't sell here. You could have sell here. Could have a sell here. Also, you can others you could sell here. Even if you put your trade here, this is 4 hour trade. This is 4 hour, but very risky due to the structure. You can see even here, maybe for 30%. Up to now, you could have two. You can't chase a very very high amount of profit every time. Sometimes you have to be satisfied with. I mean, you have to understand the effect of compounding effect. So you can't just go rich overnight. You have to collect a small profit over times. And even if you get large amount of profit in short time, that will be a lucky, but that is not a consistent move. So even now you can see on JP 255, you can see we may get a beautiful continuation down here, and this is what I'll be looking for today. As you can see, it's, it's keep improving, but I'm waiting to see if whether we get a continuation, and that's be looking for it to come up to this low here. So up to this low here, you can see, maybe let's assume we get it. You can see what kind of percent you are going to have. Maybe you get a continuation like this, and you set it maybe for 30%. Up to this low, you're going to have maybe 5%. You see? So don't underestimate this trade. Don't underestimate. Make sure you put JP 255 on your checklist for today. So guys, that is it for today. But lastly, I want to show you a trade that I showed you last time, the Kiwi card. You see, this is what I told you. I told you this will be happening. I told you about this. If you watch my last video, I posted about this trade, and I told you that we might move up to this low. And see, we came up to this low here for 5%, like I said. You just go and watch my last video and you'll see what I talked about this trade. So for those who took it serious, I know you made a lot of money on this one. You made a lot of profit on this one, so let me at least suggest this. Even here, people made profit, guys. So this was a 4-hour trade for those who took it with me. That is very very good things. Even if you missed this, and also let me show you another one that I told you, Kiwi dollar. Was it Kiwi dollar or Kiwi dollar? You see, I told you we might move up to this low here, and for 8%, but we did it come up to down here. We ended it maybe in this with 7%, guys. 7%. You see, this was the 4-hour trade, and I'm showing you on 1 hour, but this was a 4-hour trade here that I told you guys. You can see here. Uh, you can see how beautiful this trade is. So people are making money every day, although others are saying there's no trade to take, but there are always trade today, and you're going to be missing this trade every day. You can't be 100% taking all the trades. So that is all in all. You have to understand the mistake that you made and keep pushing up, keep pushing down, keep moving. So that is what I wanted to show you for today, guys. Thank you for being with me. Make sure you subscribe down on my channel so that I can keep supporting me. You can keep supporting me. The more you support me, the more I'll be dropping the contents, guys. So thank you, guys, for today.